welcome to a new episode of Bravo Charlie's, and I just can't believe what I just did. I just filmed this video, did a complete unboxing and review of these knives, and I forgot to turn the microphone on. Turned the camera on, forgot to turn the microphone on. So this is what it looks like. Looks great, there's just no sound. It was a good video, I was very proud of it, until I realized I had no sound. So, you're going to get a semi-abridged unboxing episode because these have already been unboxed in the other video, and there's no putting them back in the container because they were on a piece of cardboard with wire ties. So, what I've always wanted to do is, and as you know, if you've watched my videos over the past few years, I love my Chicago Cutlery Santoku blade. I've used it a long time, years. Love this knife. It's a great knife. This package was less than $25 or maybe closer to $20 at Kohl's with some coupons and on sale. This Santoku kit with a small blade and the standard Santoku blade was 20 bucks or so at Kohl's. I love this knife. I've used it for years. However, for Christmas, my 35th best friend in the entire world bought me this knife for Christmas. This was $65 on Amazon, and I've always wanted to see if you spend $65 on a knife compared to $20 in a department store, what do you get? Is it really worth the difference? Okay, so here we have these basic knives. This one is kind of cheap. The blade bends, but the handle's okay. It's not bad for what you're paying for. Now the Santoku blade itself is a very nice knife. Like I said, I've used this for a long time. It's very sharp. It's a nice knife. And it'll do the job for you. But what do you get when you spend triple the money? You get a nice knife like this. It comes with a microfiber Dalstrong Gladiator Series Santoku blade, official cleaning microfiber cloth. It comes with an instruction book. I've never owned a knife that came with an instruction book. And in this book are different cutting methods, sharpening methods, slicing methods, how to care for this blade. It's a fantastic book, full color instruction book. Not just some cheap little black and white instruction book, full color, talking about why Dalstrong is an amazing knife. It also comes with a free VIP membership to their club and another little piece of literature with their website and all that stuff on there. This is kind of interesting. It comes with a pin for your clothing. So for your fabric, or I'm sorry, for your chef's hat, or maybe for your chef's apron, comes with a Dalstrong pin. Pretty neat. Now, in this case, I mean, look at this. This is amazing. There's a little magnet here, so when you close it, it grips. It's lined in felt. This is a beautifully crafted wood handle, sanded perfectly smooth. It's extremely ergonomic. It feels great in the hand. I believe this is called Blackwood, L-A-K-K-A wood. It's in the book. It tells you all about it. Comes with this heavy-duty sheath to put on the knife. There is actually a positive stop. Yep, excellent sheath for the knife, but the weight difference. The blade is so strong compared to this. The weight difference is phenomenal, and also the Dalstrong knife is bigger. The cutting area is a good half an inch, 3/4 of an inch bigger. Ella's getting excited. She wants out. I have the dogs in the other room right now, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know we have dogs running around. But Phoebe and Ella were getting too fired up. They were wrestling all over the place in the studio, so I had to put them in another room, and Ella's getting a little frustrated with that. So, let's get back to the knife here. And as for sharpness, this is something you should really never do with the knife, is running through paper, because nothing dulls a knife like paper. but it is extremely sharp. It is a wonderful knife. I can't wait to start to use this. I have used this knife for at least 6 years. I've used this for a long time. This is a brand new one. This isn't the one that I've owned and used. This is a brand new one I just bought. But this is what I will now be using for years. I think this is going to last a long time. It's going to stay sharp. And there is a sharpening guide in here on how to do it properly. So, Dalstrong Gladiator Series Santoku blade. Definitely worth checking out. I will put all these links below in the description. You can find me on Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter. All those links will be there. These links will be there. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below. Like, share, and subscribe. That's what we do here on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below and hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Bravo Charlie's.